Solving quadratic equations by extracting square roots. So, the method of solving the quadratic equation x squared equals k is called extracting square roots. Okay, so first, if k is greater than 0, so those are positive numbers. Okay, this is the first property. Example number 1. Find the solutions of the quadratic equation x squared minus 25 equals 0 by extracting square roots. Okay, the first step is to write the equation in the form x squared equals k. So x squared minus 25 equal to 0. Then it becomes x squared minus 25. Okay, to write it in the form x squared equals to k, we're going to add positive 25 both side, left and right equation. So, negative 25 plus 25 equals 0, and 0 plus 25 is 25. Therefore, we have x squared equals 25. Since 25 is greater than 0, based on the first property, kapag greater than 0 ang k, magkakaroon ng dalawang values ang x, and that is plus or minus the square root of k. What are the two values? Okay, so we have now x equals or x squared equals 25. It becomes x equals plus or minus square root of 25. So, square both sides of the equation. Then now we have the square root of 25 is 5. Therefore, we have x equals plus or minus 5. Then we have two values of x, and that is x equals to 5 and x equals negative 5. Okay, paano malaman na tama yung sagot natin? Okay, to check, we're going to substitute these values in the original equation, which is x equals to 5 and x equals negative 5. Okay, for x equals to 5, and this is original equation, x squared minus 25 equal to 0, and then we substitute positive 5. So that's why we have 5 squared minus 25 equals 0. Okay, pag naging 0 equals 0 ang equation natin, pag na-satisfy yung equation, ibig sabihin, tama yung sagot natin na 5 or yung value na 5 ng x. Okay, so 5 squared is 25 minus 25 equal to 0. So 25 minus 25 equals 0 equals 0. So ibig sabihin, they are equal. Tama yung value natin na 5. Okay, how about negative 5? Then we have the original equation, x squared minus 25 equal to 0. Substitute negative 5, so we have negative 5 squared minus 25 equal to 0. Okay, again, check natin kung equal siya sa 0, yung left equations. Pag naging 0 equal to 0, ibig sabihin tama yung value ng x na negative 5. Negative 5 squared is equal to negative 5 times negative 5. Then we have 25. Minus 25 equal to 0. So, 25 minus 25 equals 0 equals 0. Both equal to 0. Therefore, the value of x, which is negative 5, is correct. Both values of x satisfy the given equation. So, the equation x squared minus 25 equals 0 is true when x equals 5 or when x equals negative 5. Therefore, our answer, the equation x squared minus 25 equals 0, has two solutions. There x equals 5 or x equals negative 5. Okay, that is an example of the first property.